What's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Lady Styles. As you can see, I got a new new hair hoop this, honey. No, but I love this new little do. 90s inspired, 2 ponytails with the spikes. If you saw the thumbnail, you know why you're here.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
24 inches in the back, sewing in the back, bang in the front. 2 ponytails with the little waterfall spikes. Yeah, so if you like the look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm gonna do like a little thin sliver of the lead out, and then I'm gonna braid these back down.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot clock? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't crossed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. Just going on. Oh yeah. When then pull up on me, tell them back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could beg? I'm just saying, boy. Tired of going out, scared of running to you. All of these whereabouts, what is it gonna do? Say no to everything I'm about to do, and I can't do that. I'm in section YOLO, baby, working on self-control, baby, no. Finna get anti-social,
I'm nervous about everything. No bang.
but I can't 'cause I know you're so
Dang. Oh my God. I don't know how to feel.
I'll make my way over to you. Baby, you know I hate love. But I can't 'cause I know you're so
The little
Maybe
people.
if I drink now,
Oh my God, I'm extra.
my way over to you. Order another round and round.
So that every woman should cut off her hair once in her lifetime, at least once, to experience that glow and that rebirth. That's what it is, that rebirth. From cutting off your hair. I think my aunt told me that. She was like, every woman needs to experience a big chop at least once in her lifetime, because it signifies a rebirth. Most definitely think I'm there. Like, I'm ready. My hair is, baby, fried, dyed, and laid to the side. I don't know why I feel like it would mess up my dating experience. Are men attracted to bald-headed women? Masculine men. Are they attracted to bald-headed women? I don't know. Is that a dumb question?
I'm running to you. Say I'm tired of going out, scared of running to you. Baby, you know I hate love. But I can't 'cause I know you're so wrong. Maybe if I drink now, drink now, drink now.
bad girl. This is different. This is exactly what I was going for. I was so tired of this.
Yeah. Oh, what it's like to be a lady.
Bang! See, you doing it.
Oh, what it's like to be a lady. Hips, the color of your lips. Oh, what it's like to be a lady. Hands, girl, look at hair. Cause you got it. She knows what she wants, and she can go get it on her own. So strong, after all. Universe falls at her feet, that girl is queen. She sets the tone. Her hair speaking volume, she ain't gotta talk at all. And she's well aware of why they stop and stare. Cause the universe falls at her feet, that girl is a queen. Oh, yeah. Oh, what it's like to be a lady. Yeah. Oh, what it's like to be a lady. Hips, the color of your lips. Oh, what it's like to be a lady. Hands, girl, look at hair. Cause you got it. Cause you got it. Oh, what it's like to be a lady.
Final look. I'm going to.
Oh, what it's like
This is
to
the
be
look.
a
No
lady.
makeup and everything. Cute as fuck.
Oh, what it's like to
Okay.
be
It's
a
giving
lady.
90s, baby. It's giving 90s, baby. So I did a thing.
Cause you got
Cut me
it.
some bangs.
Oh, what it's like to be
I
a
haven't had
lady.
bangs since high school.
Oh, what it's like to be a lady. Oh, what it's like to be a lady. Cause you got it.